To color our eggs, we need some onion skin. Make sure to use the white onion, and the amount of the skin you need, it depends on how many eggs you're coloring. Using a scissors, chop up the onion skin to the small size. Alright, as you see, all the onion skins are completely chopped to this size. So we are going to proceed to the next level. The next step, guys, we need our, of course, egg. Make sure you're using the white eggs. We need our chopped onion skin, which definitely you need to use the white onion skin. We need some water. We need rubber band, and we need cheesecloth or something that it has tiny holes like that. So what we are going to do, we are going to soak our egg inside the water, put it inside, cover it with the onion skin, and then wrap it around the cloth. When you are placing your egg over the cloth, put some more onion skin over it so that it will be fully covered, and close it using the rubber band. Do the same with as many as egg that you want to. Okay, we did all the eggs. We wrapped them up. I had 8 eggs. So next step, we are going to place the eggs inside a pot. And we are going to fill the pot, all the eggs to be immersed in the water. Then we are going to add the vinegar. Guys, all the ingredients is written at the description box of the video. Below the video, please open the description and you will access to all the amount of ingredients. To this, we are going to add our green color powder form. It's a food coloring grade. And we are going to place this over the heat. Over the high heat, let the water to come to boil. Okay, after the water start boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Okay guys, 20 minutes is done. We just remove the pot from the heat. Remove all the eggs from the pot and let it cool down completely. Once they're cooled, start opening the eggs. And this is our beautiful, perfect egg. Next step is to make them beautiful and shiny. Open all the eggs. To make them standing out and shiny, what we are going to do is that using a cotton pad, we are going to soak it into the liquid oil and rub all around the eggs. So this way they look more shiny and more beautiful. And here you have lovely, beautiful Easter eggs, the ancient way.